Hello, in this video I want to say about quarter 2 2021 quarterly cryptocurrency report from CoinGecko.com. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. Dogecoin flew the moon as they gained 366% and outperformed the top 5 cryptocurrencies. Dogecoin led the pack with an impressive 366% gain. Meanwhile, Bitcoin suffered a loss of 40%. Overall, top 5 cryptocurrencies underperformed from the previous quarter. Bitcoin ended quarter 2 2021 at $35,969, a 44% decline from its all-time high. After hitting its all-time high in April, Bitcoin has since tapered off. In quarter 2, Bitcoin hit its lowest price in 2021, briefly touching 29,154 on 22nd June. This represents a 55% drawdown. The large sell-off can mainly be attributed to Tesla, Federal Reserve regulations over leveraged traders. BSC and Polygon are leading the DeFi expansion beyond Ethereum. Despite the 65% total TVL quarterly growth, Ethereum saw its TVL drop from 93% to 79% in quarter 2. Cheaper alternatives such as Binance Smart Chain, BSC, and Polygon are slowly taking over. Undeterred, numerous hacks, example PancakeBunny and Venus, BSC captured 13% of June's TVL share. This represents an almost 2x increase from March, despite not being in the top 5 cryptocurrency. Shiba outperformed Doji as it ended the quarter with an 11,566,501% return. At peak, if you were to buy Shiba Inu at $1 at the start of the year, you would have gotten $456,922. Half of the quadrillion Shiba was sent to Vitalik, co-founder of Ethereum. The logic as a came to burning the tokens because they assumed he would not cash out the tokens. However, Vitalik sent 50 trillion Shiba to India COVID relief fund on 12th May 2021. Subsequently, he burned 90% of his Shiba, and as a result, Shiba has gone down by 75% since. Gaming NFTs saw renewed interests, although floor prices have also dropped. Newer games like Alien Worlds and Our Planet saw large spikes in the interest in quarter 2, but have since slowed down. Alien Worlds token TLM was listed on Binance on 13 April and peaked in April at $9.05. Our Planet released their Our Planet Land on 14 April 2021 and peaked in May at $342.47. Axie Infinity's trading volume 131x year to date, signaling the explosive growth in its popularity. Although Axie Infinity has been around for more than 3 years, its popularity did not take off until 2021. Corresponding to volume increase, Axie Infinity saw its revenue grow 118x in the same time frame. Revenue for Axie Infinity is generated from breeding fees and trading fees. Each time an Axie breeds, it requires 4 AXS, all of which is sent to the protocol's treasury. As for trading fees, each time an asset gets sold on the marketplace, Axie Infinity received 4.25% worth of trading fees in ETH. Spot exchange volume had its monthly high in May at 3.5 trillion before it dropped 60% in June 2021. Overall, Q2 spot trading volume across two centralized and decentralized exchanges grew from $4.4 trillion to $7.4 trillion, near about 69%. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed the video and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.